Okay, Kuta Beach. All right. There it is. Kind of at the heart of it. Let's jump up here real quick. So yeah, actually I just did another one. I thought I was in Ligian, but actually I was maybe started in Ligian and I was more in Kuta. So I think we're gonna try to capture it and do this. And we basically saw a ton of these beach bars that was there too. So probably should have signified to me that definitely was Kuta, because that's what Kuta basically is all about. So let's walk down in that area right there. Kuta Beach. Okay, so we're gonna head down the sidewalk, and now we're definitely officially in Kuta Beach. I did another similar video just recently, and it had a lot of the same characteristics, I think. So if you you'll see more of the same. Everywhere will be a little bit different. So we'll see what this is all about here. We're basically walking all the way to a like a centerpiece. There's going to be a, well, we'll see what we see. But basically you have beach bars, surfboards, surfing lessons, places to get bars, and one thing you'll notice, almost everybody's trying to get your attention, so you're going to see a lot of that. But a lot of it is because they're trying to sell their towels or their hats, or get you to get a drink or water, stuff like that. So you get a lot of attention. And then as soon as I say that, then there's a kite up there. Okay. Actually, it's kind of chill and relaxing. But I think, I think we're still kind of not too far from the northern part of Kuta. We're not really in the heart of it yet. I mean, I did see that big Kuta beach, so maybe we are in the heart of it. Maybe let me know in the comments. Did I start in the heart, or did I start at the peripheral part, or is there several places that say Kuta Beach? And that's just one of them. There's the surf way down there. You got beach surfers everywhere. Okay. Okay, so here's Kuta Beach. Let me just walk down briefly. And there's actually, I think that might be the other part of it, that there's a huge statue straight down that way. So if I walk all the way down that way, that would be probably the end of Kuta Beach. Possibly. Actually, there's another statue way out there too. So I'm looking at that one right there. Another one over there. But anyways, this is basically where we just came down. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come on up here. We're going to walk towards this small area, which I believe is going to be this direction here. And now you can see it. So it looks like right across from Kuta there's a mall right in here. So Beachwalk Mall it's called. And there's, looks like one of the entrances right there. So we are going to try to go in. And we'll call this also part of the Kuta as well, since it's pretty centrally located. Should probably do, I don't know, maybe I'll call it Kuta and Beachwalk Mall. Kind of give you a little idea of what it looks like. So let's go in. So that's the beach right there. And it looks like we have go ride. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is kind of bring the camera around a little bit. Let's see what we can capture. Sometimes they might tell me not to film, so I'm kind of half expecting that as well. But we'll see. Got an H&M coming up, Lacoste, Candylicious. It's a nice breeze in here. You can also go upstairs as well. And there is an H&M right there. And there's an escalator that goes upstairs over there. Just kind of see. Also go fishing here. Another Johnny Rockets over here too. There's a Johnny Rockets where I'm staying in Seminyak as well. I think I need to go up there. So I think if I go up, I'll have a better view. Okay. Let's go up this way. Okay. Beachwalk, mall. So we're gonna go up to the level 2. There's also a sunset deck. We're gonna try to film. Oh, there we go. So you can overlook a little bit. And we're gonna go. Probably a lot to film, but I don't know how much of it I should film. So we're gonna go to the top, H&M. Sunset deck. So let's see what the sunset deck looks like. Looks like we can see the ocean over there. So let's head over this way. Expat Roasters. And at the end, we're going to be at the overlook the ocean right up here. And I think I'm going to end it. At least you kind of got an idea of what it looks like. Okay, beach walk. So that's Kuta Beach. Beachwalk. Okay. Not bad. So end it right there. Beachwalk Mall. Kuta Beach. Okay, there's also something called a food venture right here too. So it looks like you got kind of a food court right in here. So it's gonna see what they got. Cirebon from different parts of Indonesia. And let's see. Looks like they got Japanese. Oh, Penang food from Malaysia. Different drinks here. M juice. So another little element of Bali at the Beachwalk Mall. So we're basically on the other side of it, so I'm going to turn off the camera now. Okay, so I'm kind of walking around the mall. There's Quicksilver, there's all kinds of interesting stuff. And then over here, there's actually Poppy's Lane, which is kind of interesting. I didn't know that they had Poppy's Gate. So Poppy's Lane is kind of a famous, so Poppy's Gate right there. That's the famous street that goes right into the heart of Kuta right there. Let's see. And basically this street is known for all the vendors. And it's actually also kind of known as like kind of get a lot of attention in this space too. So that's the back side of the mall. Attention to buy stuff. Okay. Kuta. I'm still kind of checking everything out. So there's actually a box office cinema there, Burger King. Behind me was Pepper Lunch, H&M. There's quite a bit everywhere around in here. So I thought I was going to end it at Poppy's and want to add a little bit more, so it gives you a fuller picture of it anyways. So I think I'm going to end it now.